Many people do not realize that chili can be a very healthy meal. No, this does not mean that you have to use chicken or turkey to make peppers. In some cases, certain types of red meat are healthier. You will get a hearty and delicious meal, which includes a lot of nutrients, protein, carbohydrate, fat ratio, which also contains a variety of vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. In addition, this recipe also contains interesting ingredients, such as a small amount of dark chocolate. Yes, in chili. Fat-burning chili weight loss recipe. 700 grams of quality ground beef. I prefer to use organic bison meat, ostrich, deer or organic beef. As a last resort, lean ground turkey or chicken can also do the trick. Try just never use mass production meats. Click the link below the video to learn about the healthy eating plan. 1 large red pepper, diced 5 to 6 diced jalapeno peppers, or adjust the quantity according to your spicy taste. 2 large onions, diced 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil. 1 large jar of tomato puree or 5 to 6 large fresh diced tomatoes. 1 can black or red beans, good source of antioxidants and fiber. Half a bag of spinach frozen in pieces, add at the end of cooking. 2 tablespoons molasses, which is a good source of antioxidants, gives flavor and adds minimal sugar. 2 to 3 squares of extra dark chocolate, trust me, it gives a good taste, and a little more antioxidants. 1 or 2 tablespoons chili powder. 1 or 2 teaspoons of cumin. 1 or 2 tablespoons minced garlic. If you like very spicy, add a little cayenne pepper to the mixture, which also boosts metabolism. 1 pinch of sea salt. I did not measure, just use a few pinches. 1/2 cup oats to add fiber and also help absorb moisture. I also like to add a little chopped fresh cilantro when cooking. A little avocado as a garnish after the chili. A little organic cheese. If you find garnish to serve, use a large saucepan and start cooking ground beef with olive oil. Then start adding all the cubed vegetables and other ingredients when you are ready. If you want to be creative and further improve the nutritional content of this dish, you can even mix the ground beef you use with the ground offal from pasture animals. Once everything is together and cooking in the pan, reduce the heat to low and simmer for 40 to 50 minutes. To serve, cover with fresh diced avocado, which adds more healthy fat, and sprinkle with grated organic cheese. You will have a delicious spicy meal. This recipe makes about 6 servings. Save the leftovers and bring them to your work as a midday meal or as a healthy snack between meals. There is nothing more nutrient-dense. It's the kind of food so dense in micronutrients that it could meet your nutritional needs and eliminate cravings, but be careful not to overload your calories. Approximate amount of macronutrients per serving: 36 grams protein, 44 grams carbohydrates, 9 grams fiber, 14 grams fat, all good fats, 430 calories. Click the link below the video to learn about the healthy eating plan.